Next point, we are going to see nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, in which first we are going to see nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. There is correlation between the nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Therefore, we are going to see first nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Now first we are going to see common names or trivial name system. According to this system, the carboxylic acids are named from the sources from which they are obtained. For example, first carboxylic acid is formic acid. This formic acid is present in ant. In Latin, it is named as L-formica and therefore name is given formic acid. This is common name HC-OH. Now this is HC-OH. This is aldehyde. Name of this aldehyde is given from the name of this formic acid by replacing IC acid from acid by aldehyde. Therefore, name of this aldehyde becomes formaldehyde. Now second example, this is acetic acid, CH3C-OH. Acetic acid, CH3C-OH. This is aldehyde. Now name of this aldehyde is given from the name of acetic acid by replacing suffix IC acid by aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Now here, if number of carbon atoms are present in the chain of aldehyde or carboxylic acid and there is branching of any alkyl group or any substituent is present, then the carbon atom which is bonded to carbonyl carbon is named as alpha carbon atom, then beta carbon atom, then gamma, delta, etc. Now in this case, this is isobutyl group. Therefore, common name of this compound is isobutyric acid. And therefore, common name of this compound becomes isobutyraldehyde. This group is isobutyl group. Therefore, it becomes isobutyraldehyde. Now here we can also commonly name this compound as. Now here this is carbonyl group, which is attached to alpha carbon atom, and this alpha carbon atom is branched to CH3 group, that is methyl group. Therefore, this is alpha methyl. And now here there are 3 carbon atoms, therefore it becomes propionic group, and therefore name of this common name of this compound is alpha methyl propionic acid. Name of this aldehyde becomes alpha methyl propionaldehyde. Now this point number CH3, CH3, CH2, C-OH. Now there are 5 carbon atoms, but at beta carbon atom there is CH3 group. Therefore it becomes beta methyl. Now there are 4 carbon atoms. Therefore it is butyric acid. Name of this compound becomes beta methyl and butyric acid. All 4 carbon atoms are in a straight chain. Therefore it becomes N-butyric acid. Beta methyl and butyric acid. Now same compound here, only functional group is changed, that is aldehyde. Now it is also beta methyl and butyraldehyde. Beta methyl and butyraldehyde. In this way, common names are given to aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Now we are going to see IUPAC names or IUPAC nomenclature. According to IUPAC nomenclature system, aldehydes are named as replace suffix E from alkane by air. That is, this is alkane, E is replaced by air in case of aldehyde. Therefore, alkanes becomes alkanal in case of aldehydes. Similarly, in case of carboxylic acid, replace suffix E from alkane by OIC acid. Therefore, alkane becomes alkanoic acid. Alkane OIC acid, alkanoic acid. Now we are going to see example. Now this is CH3, CH2, bond OH. Now there are 4 carbon atoms, but give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group. Therefore it becomes butane. Butane, parent alkene is butane. Replace suffix E from butane by Al, it becomes butanol. Now in case of carboxylic acid, replace suffix E from alkane by OIC acid. Alkane becomes alkanoic acid. Therefore CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond OOH. In this example, give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, parent alkene is butane and replace E from butane by OIC acid. It becomes butanoic acid. These rules are used for the IUPAC nomenclatures of these aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Now, if there are 2 aldehyde groups or 2 carboxylic groups are present in the molecule, now these aldehyde and carboxylic acid group are present at the end of the molecule, that is terminal of the chain. Now here there are 2 aldehyde group present in this example. Now here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Therefore parent alkene is butane, and at 4 position there is aldehyde group. That is, there are 2 aldehyde group. Therefore the name is given as butane, B-U-T-A-N-E. Now E is not removed. Butane 1,4-diol. Di stands for 2, Al stands for aldehyde. Butane 1,4-diol. Now next for carboxylic acid. Now here there are 4 carbon atoms, and at 1 position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4 position there are 2 COOH group, that is carboxylic acid group. Now parent alkene is butane. Write butane as it is. Don't remove E. Butane 1, 4. Di stands for 2. Di-OIC acid. Butane 1,4-di acid. Now if this aldehyde or carboxylic acid group is directly attached to alicyclic ring. Alicyclic means the ring compounds which contains carbon-carbon single bond in a ring structure. Now if this aldehyde or carboxylic acid group is present in alicyclic ring, then name is given like this. Now here it is cyclohexane ring, and which CH2 group is attached. Therefore it becomes cyclohexane carbaldehyde. For aldehyde group, write carbaldehyde in case of alicyclic aldehydes. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Don't remove E. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Now in case of carboxylic acid, if carboxylic group or COH group is directly attached to alicyclic ring, then here it is cyclohexane ring. Therefore it becomes cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Don't remove E. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Now we are going to give the names to substituted aromatic aldehydes or carboxylic acid. Now in this case, substituted aldehyde. Now here, if we remove these 2 substituents, then it becomes benzaldehyde. But there is presence of CH3 and OH group. At 1 position there is CHO group. This is 2, 3 and 4. Now at 4 position there is hydroxy group. At 3 position there is methyl group. Now alphabetically H comes first. Therefore we write 4 hydroxy. Now 3 methyl and benzaldehyde. Now here, second example. If we remove these 2 substituents, that is OH and CH3, then it becomes benzoic acid. At 1 position there is COH group, 2, 3 and 4. At 4 position there is CH3, that is methyl group. At 3 position there is hydroxy 4-methyl benzoic acid. Now third example. Now in this example there are both aldehyde and carboxylic group is present, CHO and COOH. Now if we remove this CHO group, then it becomes benzoic acid. If we remove this COH group, then it becomes benzaldehyde. Now here we write this CHO group as a substituent and give position COH group 1 position and 2 position for CHO group. Then it becomes 2-formyl. We know that aldehyde group is also named as formyl group. Therefore, it becomes 2-formyl benzoic acid. Now we are going to see examples of names of aldehydes, that is nomenclature of aldehydes. Now in first column we have taken aldehydes, in second column common name, and in third column IUPAC name. Now first example, HC double bond OH. Now here there is the name of this aldehyde is formaldehyde. This is common name. Now IUPAC name. There is only one carbon atom, therefore parent alkene is methane and IUPAC name becomes methanol. That is replace suffix E from alkane by Al, therefore it becomes methanol. Now second example, CH3 C double bond OH. The common name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. And in case of IUPAC nomenclature, there are 2 carbon atoms. Therefore, parent alkenes become ethane and aldehyde becomes ethanol. ETHANAL, ethanol. Now, third example, CH3CH2 C double bond OH. Now, it is propionaldehyde. Common name of this compound is propionaldehyde. Now, IUPAC name. There are 3 carbon atoms in aldehyde, therefore parent alkane is propane and replace E from propane by Al, it becomes propanol. Now fourth example, CH3CH2CH2 C double bond OH. Now there are 4 carbon atoms, therefore common name of this compound is N-butyraldehyde. N stands for straight chain or normal chain. All 4 carbon atoms are in straight chain, therefore it becomes N-butyraldehyde. Now IUPAC name, there are 4 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane becomes butane and replace E from butane by Al, IUPAC name becomes butanol. Now fifth example, CH3CH3 C double bond OH. Now this is isobutyryl group, therefore common name of this compound is isobutyraldehyde. We can also give second common name like this. Now this is carbon atom which is bonded to carbonyl group is called as alpha carbon atom and this is beta carbon atom. At alpha carbon atom there is methyl group. Now here there are 3 carbon atoms in a straight chain. Therefore the common name of this aldehyde becomes alpha methyl propionaldehyde. Now IUPAC name. Give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group. 1, 2, 3. At 2 position there is methyl group. Therefore it becomes 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. Now next, CH2 double bond CH-CHO. Now common name of this compound is acrolein. In case of IUPAC nomenclature system, now there are 3 carbon atoms and it is propene. That is, it is propene. Now here at 1 position there is aldehyde group. Therefore it becomes pro. Now 1, 2, 3. At 2 position there is double bond. Therefore it becomes pro 2 ENAL. That is, look here pro. Now here it is propene. Now the position of propene is 2. Therefore it becomes pro2en. Now replace E by Al. Therefore it becomes pro2enal. Pro2enal. Then second number. CHO, that is two aldehyde groups are attached to each other. There are two carbon atoms. Now, common name of this compound is oxaldehyde, or it is also named as glycol. Now here, in case of IUPAC nomenclature system, it is ethane. Parent alkane is ethane. There are two carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane is ethane. Now there are two aldehyde groups, therefore it becomes ethane diol. Di stands for 2, Al stands for aldehyde. Two aldehyde group, ethane diol. Spelling of ethane diol, ETHANE DIAL. Don't remove E from ethane. Next reaction we are going to see N1. Now here benzene ring is attached to CHO group. Common name of this compound is benzaldehyde. And IUPAC name of this compound is also benzaldehyde, or it is also named as benzene carbaldehyde. Then second example, this benzene ring is attached to aldehyde group, and at the position there is CH3 group. Now if we remove this CHO group, then it becomes toluene, and if we remove this CH3 group, then it becomes benzaldehyde. Now at ortho position there is CH3 group, therefore name of this compound is orthotoluenaldehyde, and IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Now next one, here benzene ring is attached to CHO group and OH group. This is salicylaldehyde, and this salicylaldehyde have common name 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Now next example, benzene ring is bonded to 2-CHO group, that is 2-aldehyde group at 1 and 2 position. Therefore name of this compound, or common name of this compound is phthalaldehyde. And IUPAC name of this compound is benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. Now this one, this is cyclohexane ring which is attached to aldehyde group, that is CHO group. Now common name of this compound is cyclohexane aldehyde, and IUPAC name of this compound is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Now we are going to see nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Now here 3 columns are made. This is carboxylic acid, common name of this carboxylic acid, and IUPAC name. Now first, HC double bond OH. This is formic acid. Now in this case there is presence of only one carbon atom, therefore IUPAC name is methanoic acid. In case of one carbon atom, parent alkane is methane. Replace E from methane by OIC acid, therefore it becomes methanoic acid. Then second, CH3COOH. It is acetic acid. Now here there are 2 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane becomes ethane. Replace suffix E from ethane by OIC acid, it becomes ethanoic acid. Next, third, CH3CH2COOH. Now it is propionic acid. Common name of this compound is propionic acid. Now in case of IUPAC nomenclature, there are 3 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane is propane, and it becomes propanoic acid. Replace suffix E from propane by OIC acid, propanoic acid. Fourth one, CH3, CH, CH3, COH. Now this is isobutyryl group, therefore it is isobutyric acid. Common name is isobutyric acid. Second common name is, now here this is carbonyl group. This carbonyl group is bonded to alpha carbon atom and this is beta carbon atom. At alpha carbon atom there is CH3 group is substituted. Therefore it becomes alpha methyl propanoic acid. In case of IUPAC nomenclature system, give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group 1, 2 and 3. At 2 position there is methyl group and in the chain there are 3 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane is propane. Now it is 2-methyl propanoic acid. Now 5 number, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Now here all the carbon atoms are in straight chain. There are 4 carbon atoms, therefore it becomes N-butyric acid and stands for straight chain. Now IUPAC nomenclature. Now here there are 4 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane become butane and replace E from butane by OIC acid, then you get butanoic acid. Next 6 number, CH2 double bond CH, COOH. Common name of this compound is acrylic acid. Now here there are 3 carbon atoms and there is double bond, therefore it is propene. Now propene, but position of double bond is at 2 position, therefore it becomes pro2En and replace E of propene by OIC acid, it becomes prop2enoic acid. Prop2enoic acid. Next example. This is benzene ring which is attached to COOH group. Therefore common name is benzoic acid. IUPAC name of this compound is also benzoic acid. Then 8th example. Here in benzene ring at 1 position there is COH group and at 2 position there is CH3 group. Now if we remove COH group, then it becomes toluene. Therefore it becomes orthotolic acid. That is, at the ortho position of methyl group there is COH group, therefore common name of this compound becomes orthotolic acid. IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl benzoic acid. Then this one. Here at 1 position there is COH group and at 2 position there is OH group. Now this is salicylic acid. IUPAC name of this compound is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Now this one. Now here benzene ring is attached to 2 COH group at 1,2 position. Therefore the common name of this compound is phthalic acid. IUPAC name of this compound is benzene 1,2-doic acid. This one. Now here this is cyclohexane which is attached to COH group, therefore it becomes cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Common name is also cyclohexane carboxylic acid and IUPAC name is also cyclohexane carboxylic acid. And this last one, here there are 2 COH group attached to each other, COOH, COOH. Name of this compound is oxalic acid. Molecular formula of this compound is H2C2O4. Common name of this compound is ethanediol acid. This is all about the nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Thank you.